Well, guys, I'm back in the doghouse today, trying to move that radiator forward. There's a couple of things that might get in my road. I'm not too sure till I try it. Anyway, Rocker Pat wants me to take it. This is where it bolts on here. Rocker Pat wants me to take it from here and mount it over here. What I'm thinking is I might run into a problem because of my rad support comes down, it has a dog leg out here. But I might be able to just cut that off. Cut that dog leg off and see if that'll work. But again, I have to put my grill in, and my grill mounts right here, here, and here. This one here is not going to be a problem because you can see it's indented here, but here it's flush. And I don't think I can get my, well, maybe I can. I might have to do a little bit of modifying, but anyway, we'll see. We'll see how it's going to go. But anyway, that's what I'm going to try that first. And there's always a plan B, C, D, or whatever the case may be. I also suggested about cutting this bracket off the side. I'll try that as well, but I want to try just moving it around and see if that'll work. Because the way it is right now, you can see I don't have any room there at all. So I'll try that, and here, Pat, that's that big hose you're talking. Is this the big hose you're talking about? There it is. There, I think that's what you're talking about. Then there's this hose here on my carburetor. But anyway, that's that. Anyway, I'm not going to mess with the carburetor now. I just kind of threw that out there. Figured it might be a quick, well, try this or try that. But anyway, my main concern this week is move this radiator. We'll get at it and see what I can come up with. Okay, what I've done is take the rad out again. That's probably the 8th time. Maybe the 12th, I don't know. I'm losing track, but anyway, we're making progress. Anyway, my radiator used to be bolted to this side of the core support, and this here was facing in towards the motor, and that was bringing my whole radiator out to here, which was jamming me up against my water pump pulley. So I've took the rad out again and I mounted it to the back, or the front I should say. This here is the front of the truck. There. That is the motor that side. So instead of having it mounted here to the inside of the support, I mounted it here to the outside of the support, and we're going to see if what our results are. It looks like it might fit. Find out in a minute. Got to put my gloves on because this here is sharp. I'm happy with what we got so far. Here's what we got. if you can see that down there, but anyway, I hope you can see that. I've got approximately 3 inches to the front of the water pump pulley, plus the thickness of this care board, probably another 1/4 inch. It's looking good now to see if my radiator or my grill will fit in here. Check that out. Get all that out of my road so I don't trip over it again like yesterday. There's one thumbs up. One thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. Happy. But I'm happy with my results. I just have to get a mechanical fan for this one here. I'll check to see. I had one on here before, but it didn't fit the bolt pattern with this new pulley system I got. But I'll check my other fan. If not, well, I'll have to go to Summit like Pat says and return for today. Now I'll just get it all bolted up, and maybe I can relax today. I really appreciate your help, Pat. You're the car whisperer. Looking good. There's my update for this weekend. Anyway, thanks again. Talk to you all later.